my preschool friends and preschool family. Thank you guys for joining me back today. For today's activity, we're going to be reading a book about Mem Fox, whoever you are, and we're going to do actually a science experiment with eggshells. Whoever you are by Mem Fox. Little ones, whoever you are, there are little ones just like you all over the world. Their skin may be different from yours, and their arms may be different from yours. Their school may be different from yours, and their land may be different from yours. Their life may be different from yours, and their words may be different, very different from yours. But inside, their hearts are just like yours, whoever they are, wherever they are, all over the world. Their smiles are like yours, and they laugh just like you. Their hurts are like yours, and they cry like you too. Whoever they are, wherever they are, all over the world. Little ones, when you are older and when you are grown, you may be different. And they may be different wherever you are, wherever they are in this big wide world. But remember this. Joy are the same, and love is the same. Pain is the same, and blood is the same. Smiles are the same, and hearts are just the same. Wherever they are, wherever you are, wherever we are. The end. Thank you guys. Welcome back, preschool friends. For today, we're going to be doing a science experiment with eggshells. So since we're in the month of April and it's Easter and also springs, we are going to actually do an experiment to combine Easter and spring together. The things that you guys will be able to work is actually math count by actually counting each of your eggshells, and also color sorting your eggshells. The equipments that we're going to be using today are vinegar, food coloring, and actually eggshells. First, you get your vinegar. Pour it inside the cup. Then you're gonna actually take whatever color from the food coloring box. We're gonna actually do green today. We're gonna drop 2 drops of the green in the vinegar water. While I'm doing this, some of the questions you could actually ask our young preschool friends is, what's gonna happen if you actually put the eggshells inside the vinegar water with the color green? Do you think the eggshell is gonna change to green, or it's gonna stay white? Another question you could also ask them is, do you think the eggshell is gonna sink or float? So we're gonna leave that for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna come right back and show you the end result of what happened to the eggshell after you take it out the green vinegar water. So this is actually the end result of after me actually putting the eggshell in the food coloring with the vinegar. The eggshell did change color to whatever color food coloring we add with the vinegar. So stay tuned for next week's activity. Please save your eggshells, because we're going to actually do a art activity with these same eggshells that we actually dyed today.